Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Developer Talks. Today we are going to start a new bootcamp on Java full stack. In this bootcamp we are going to develop a web application and convert the same application into an Android application and also into a iOS application. Coming to the tech stack, we are going to use front-end technologies HTML5, Angular and Ionic UI elements, which is compatible for both mobile and web application. And coming to the backend, we will use Java, Spring and Spring Security. For database, we use NoSQL database, that is MongoDB. In order to start this bootcamp, we need to set up our development environment first. As part of this environment setup, we need to install Java and also IDE tool IntelliJ, which is used to write code. First, we'll start installing Java. In order to install Java, you need to go to the link which I have provided in the description and click on the link. You will see a page which I am showing in the right now in the screen, and download that zip file and unzip that in your local desktop. After you unzipping the downloaded zip file, you need to set a couple of environment variables in your computer. One is Java home and the other one is the path variable, where you need to copy the path of till bin folder as shown in the video. For installation of IDE tool IntelliJ, I have already made a video on that and I am providing that video in the description. Please go through that link and download and set up your IntelliJ. Thank you for watching this video and joining the bootcamp. We'll start building our applications in the next video.